Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Vincent Villar Sabal, and my speech for today is Race of Resilience, inspiring story of hope and triumph. Today, we are gathered here not just to hear a story, but to feel the power of hope, resilience, and triumph. In the world that sometimes seems overshadowed by challenges, it's these stories that remind us the strength we carry within. Throughout history, we've seen individuals rise from the ashes of despair to the heights of success, not because they had an easy path, but because they refused to give up. Their story aren't just overcoming obstacles. They're about turning those obstacles into stepping stones. Take, for example, the tale of the young woman who, despite losing everything in a devastating storm, rebuilt her life from the ground up. Her story is about rebuilding her life even though it's hard. But she found a way, as she found the hope in the darkest moments, and used that hope to keep moving forward. Her story isn't about survival. It's about thriving. About finding purpose even in unimaginable loss. Or think of a man who battled illnesses for years, who was told time and again that his dreams were impossible. But he kept going. He believed that as long as he held into hope, he could make the impossible possible. And he did. He lived to tell his story, a story of testament to human perseverance. This story matters because they remind us that hope is not passive. Hope is an action. It's the force that gets us out of bed when everything feels heavy. It's the light that guides us when our way forward seems unclear. We all faces our own trials. Some are visible, some are deep. Some are hidden deep within. But there's one thing we can learn from this story of hope and triumph. It's this: no matter how overwhelming our challenge may seem, we are capable of rising above them. In this room, I believe there are many untold stories of resilience. Each of us has faced hardship in one form or another. And yet, here we are, living the proof that we can have the strength to continue, that we can still hope, still find joy. So as we go forward, let's carry this story with us as reminders of what we are capable of. Let them inspire us to find the race of resilience within ourselves, to believe in hope even times are tough, and to triumph not over our circumstances, but the way we live our life. I'm Vincent Villar Sabal. Thank you.